Hello children, I hope you're doing well today. Let's start with our math class. Open your book. We have reached the page 98. I hope you're able to understand the topic kilometers, meters and other unit. Let us start for today on multiplication and division involving kilometers on the page 98. I hope your book and copybook is in front of you. Let us start with multiplication. So we are going to read the example given below. We are going to read it together. A circular cycling track is 6 kilometers 50 meters long. Saud cycles 7 times around the track. You have two questions. The first one, what is the total distance cycled? And there are 5 signposts equally spaced round the track. How far apart are the signposts? So these two questions, they demand multiplication and division work out. So let us see the first question. What is the total distance cycled? So the track is 6 kilometers 50 meters long. The boy is going to cycle 7 times around the track. So you already know that you should do multiplication. But before we proceed, let us read on your right in the book quotient. In the 4 operations involving both kilometers and meters, rewrite the digits for meters as 3 digits by putting zeros if necessary. Look at the examples. 3 kilometers 5 meters. You're not going to write 3 kilometers. It is not 500 meters. It is 5 meters. It remains the same. So you're going to add your 2 zeros in front. 3 kilometers 5 meters, like you're saying 5 meters, so you're going to write 005. 6 kilometers 25 meters, it is asking you to put 3 digits, so 1 digit is missing. You're going to add a 0 in front of 25. So let us see the first question now. 6 kilometers 50 meters, you're going to multiply by 7, but as you can see in the example, a 0 has been added before. 6 kilometers 0, 50 meters times 7, and then when you're going to do the multiplication, you're going to get the answer 42 kilometers 350 meters. There are 5 signposts equally spaced round the track. So 5 signposts. How far apart are the sign tops? You are going to divide by 5. Take a look here as well. For the 50 meters, what they have added in front is 0. 1 kilometer 210 meters. So you are going to work out number 9. So the first one is easy. Take a look. 9b, 43 kilometers 25 meters. So for 25 meters you are going to add a 0 in front. Okay, we are going to take some examples for these types of numbers. Take a look and then we will get back to the page 98. Okay, let's take a look at some examples. As you already know, 1 kilometer 1000 meters. We are going to see some examples like we just saw in the page 98. We should rewrite the digits for meters as 3 digits by adding 0. For example, 5 meters, you're not going to write 5 and then 2 zeros, but 005 meters. Let us see some examples. 2 kilometers 4 meters is equal to 2 kilometers 004 meters. 14 kilometers 5 meters equal to 14 kilometers 005 meters. 5 kilometers 30 meters 5 kilometers and 30 meters. 12 kilometers 45 meters 12 kilometers 45 meters. This you are going to copy in your copybook. You are going to note this down in your copybook. Okay, now we are going to see some examples of multiplication involving kilometers. I have written some examples. Let us take a look at the first one. I hope you are able to see it clearly. The first example is 6 kilometers 25 meters times 4. If possible, you are going to do this in your copybook and then you're going to check the answer. So 6 kilometers 25 meters times 4. You're not going to do this multiplication directly like it is because of the 25 meters. You're going to write this as follows: 6 kilometers 25 meters times 4. 25 meters times 4. When you're going to do the multiplication, your answer should be 24 kilometers 100 meters. The second example, 5 kilometers 8 meters times 3. You're not going to do this directly like it is. Instead, you're going to write your 2 zeros in front. 5 kilometers 008 times 3. 15 kilometers 24 meters equal to 15 kilometers 24 meters. When you're going to write the answer, no need to write the 0, you're going to write 24 meters. As for division involving kilometers, you are going to see some examples. If you have a question like this, 6 kilometers 25 meters divided by 5. The same 6 kilometers, you're going to add 0, 25 meters, then you're going to divide. Your answer should be 1 kilometer 205 meters. The second example, 5 kilometers 8 meters divided by 2. Take a look at 8. 5 kilometers 008 meters divided by 2. Your answer is 2 kilometers 504 meters. Okay, I hope multiplication and division questions are easy for you. Let us take a look. Let's get back to our book on the page 98. We are going to see the word problem questions. Number 9, it's okay, you'll be able to do this. Let's take a look. Number 10 to 14, you have to attempt these questions in your copybook. Let us read number 10 together. A bus driver travels from Flag to Port Louis 8 times daily. If the distance between Flag and Port Louis and back is 65 kilometers 23 meters, what distance does the driver cover daily. So the distance from Flag to Port Louis is 65 kilometers 23. So this is the distance you are going and back, to and from. But the bus driver is going to cover this distance 8 times. So 1 times is 65 kilometers 23 meters. What about 8 times? You know what to do. You're going to write down in your copybook like this: distance from Flag to Port Louis, 65 kilometers 23 meters. The driver is going to travel 8 times. So what he is asking about the distance, the total distance he's going to travel daily. The total distance he's going to cover daily. You're going to write your answer. I'm not going to explain what you should do. Instead, I can guide you how to write in your copybook the working. Number 11, we're going to read: the CWA has to put pipes along a road 5 kilometers 64 meters long. One pipe measures 8 meters. How many pipes are needed? Very easy as well. I'm not going to give you this answer. Number 12. The length of a running track is 1.7 kilometers. Ravi runs 9 times along the track. What distance does he cover? So the running track is 1.7 kilometers. Take a look. 1.7 kilometers equal to 1 kilometer 700 meters. What have I done to get this answer? I have 1.7, I have multiplied by 1000. Then as this is the decimal number, I have moved 3 digits to the right. So if the boy is going to run 9 times, the total distance is what? Number 13. How many times must Jonathan run around a 400-meter track to cover a distance of 12 kilometers? So the track is 400 meters. The distance to cover is 12 kilometers. So first you will convert. There is a difference between meters and kilometers. You will be working in meters. You're going to convert 12 kilometers to meters. Your answer, what are you going to do? You have to find the number of times. It is not multiplication but division. Number 14. A horse runs 6 times along a race track and covers a distance of 5.1 kilometers. What is the length of the race track? So the horse, when he is running 6 times is equal to 5.1 kilometers. So what is the length? You have to give your answer in meters. The distance covered is 5.1 kilometers. He runs 6 times. But you have to find the length of the race track. You have to convert first 5.1 kilometers to meters, and then you're going to do your calculation. Your answer will be in meters. I hope you're going to do this homework, reread the questions, and then you work out. I hope it's clear for you on the measurement of length, millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. I hope you have memorized your conversion as well. Now we have to move on. We have to move on with something else. Let us take a look. Let us take a look. Perimeter. Page 99, perimeter. What is a perimeter? It is the distance all around the figure. So when you're going to calculate perimeter, you're not going to calculate what is inside the figure. You're going to calculate all around, meaning outside the figure. Take a look at the figure 1. There's a shape A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we have to calculate the perimeter. Take a look. When you have calculated outside, for example, AB, it's 1 centimeter. B to C, you're going to count how many squares. 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. CD only 1. D to E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters. E to F 1. F to G, 3 centimeters. G to H, 3 centimeters. H to A, 5 centimeters. You're going to plus all these. Your perimeter is 24. The same for figure 1 and 2. You're going to calculate the perimeter. You're going to count the shape, the parts outside the shape for figure 1 and 2. Okay, what is a perimeter? I think you already know. A perimeter of a shape is the sum of all the distances around the sides of the shape, as shown in the figure in red. So you need to calculate what is outside the shape. Take a look at some examples. You have to add the length of sides. For example, the rectangle in blue. You have 8, 4, 8, 4. You're going to add 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8, 24 centimeters. Take a look at the triangle. You're going to add 4 plus 8 plus 6, 18. Take a look at the quadrilateral shape. 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 7, 19. So this is about the perimeter. Let us move on. Let us move on, page 100. For number 15, you have to find the perimeter of the following figures. All the numbers are given, so it's easy. You're going to find it and write the answers in your book itself. It depends if you're going to do in your copybook or in your book. For number 16, let us take a look. As you will be able to see, for number 16, you're not having all the numbers for each part. You have to find it is missing, so you have to find the missing numbers. 16 A, B, C and D. Let us see. Let us see page 100, exercise 16B. Okay, 16B, as you can see in your book, it is a shape, but I have you will see the interrogation marks everywhere, the red marks that I have put for you, because there is the number is not given. How are you going to find the perimeter? Very easy. You have to see. Okay, I have worked out this shape for you. Now, as you will be able to see, I have written in red some places. These are the missing. Very easy. So the same shape. The top is 3 centimeters, so the bottom the same side, obviously 3. You're going to find out like this. Each time you're going to find out and write the missing parts. Then you're going to find the perimeter. You're going to add all the sides. You have to be very careful. Do not miss any side. Otherwise your answer won't be good. So take a look. This is an example. The perimeter is 60 centimeters. I hope it is going to help you. This is a small exercise for you. You'll be doing this in your copybook on perimeter. Okay children, so that's all for today. Perimeter, some homework. Page 98, all in your copybook. Page 100 in your book. It's about perimeter. You're going to see if you have space in your book to do all the sum. And then some perimeter exercises in your copybook. So that's all for today. Do all your homework, study well, be safe at home, take care.